Are you the topper of your classroom? I used to be the same. So, what just actually happened to me uh, since my childhood, I had some fear of subjects, especially mathematics or English or something like that. But little by little, when I started knowing myself about my interest, about the subjects which is out there, and when I actually crossed my puberty, then I could know the things which is actually happening around me. So after the time, it was getting over and over, and I started realizing things which is actually out there for me. I just started learning the subjects not just for syllabus but for my interest, which was like something that I want to know the concept, I want to know what is actually hidden in this portion. So at that moment I actually liked the subjects which was actually there. Even if I was a topper or something, it was never like just getting good marks, because it was a pressure. I understand this thing that even I had that pressure. I was like, why this system is like you have to get good marks or something, why this is like comparison or something which actually happens in society, in the system. But I also wanted to enjoy the life, enjoy the moment where I was studying, when I was knowing the things which was actually being given in my subject. I wanted to know that, but because I had to make sure that I was completing my timetable, I was completing my syllabus, I had to take that pressure and just do the work according to the system, according to the schedule. So we know all very well that yes, we have a system where we should know what is actually going on, but it is also a truth that we have to take the pressure. I think we can change it little by little, but we should also make aware of our kids, our students, and our dear friends, whoever we have, that life is not just about mugging up things. Life is not about completing the syllabus. It is more about learning with joy and with love. Because when, even if you have become the topper or you have just completed your whole syllabus, if you do not know what it means, what it actually gives in your life, what is its worth, that you are not going to actually live the moment, live the syllabus, what you actually have.